So here is just the trees, the rocks, and the grass. What? Is that a flying caterpillar? And I think there's a few bushes. I never explored down there. It's dangerous down there. It's also a big hill. This is not really the forest actually, because if you look to that side, it just has homes and a park, which I'm going to be filming in that. You got space, right?
We got 1 minute and 40 seconds, 30
Okay.
seconds.
I think it's because I got rid of space.
Should I stop it?
No. And then don't wake up the bear. He's sleeping. He's trying to get somewhere to sleep. I'm way down. You hear him? And there's another explorer without a tour guide. And there is a squirrel. If you can see it, if you can, he's still there. But if you can't see it, then you can't see it. And here's a piece of glass. Now we're walking towards the bear. A dangerous way, what I call it. Welcome to the stairwell